Need to contact Uber driver before pickup? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily contact Uber driver before the pickup. The very first thing you want to do is head over to Uber. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Now choose the destination that you want to go. Once you've selected the pickup location and destination, simply choose the Uber that you want to. Once you have selected, tap on Choose UberX at the bottom of the screen. Now for the confirmation, tap on Confirm UberX. Now select the exact location that you're in and click on Confirm Pickup. Once the Uber has been confirmed, you will be able to see the call and the message icon. From there, you can call them or message them and contact the Uber driver. So before booking the Uber, you will not be able to contact. After confirming the pickup location, you will be able to contact the Uber driver. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.